You guys are probably watching this because you're trying to get the first stickers, so let's go ahead and start right away. Today we're going to be simplifying rationals, and this is an introduction, so it's very basic stuff. So first thing, we're going to go ahead and we're going to simplify factoring trees. Alright, we're going to go ahead, grab numbers, do all the factors until we find the prime numbers, and then we're going to also expand the x variables, and we're going to rewrite the fraction and cancel any terms that are the same. So stop the video right here, just copy with the steps, that way you can have them. And let's go ahead and start, because I really want to make sure I don't get over the 5 minutes. So first things first, let's find factors of 36. So 36 gives me, well, let me first say the problem. So it's going to be 36x cubed over 42x squared. But yes, we're going to find factors of 36, so 6 and 6, and then 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay, now how many x's do we have on here? 1, 2, 3. That's why we're going to be setting up on the top of our fraction once we go ahead and rewrite it. Now 42, it's going to be broken into 7 and 6. Again, 6 is 2 and 3, and this one only has 2 x's. So boom, we already have everything that we need, so we're just going to rewrite it. So I'm going to write 2 times 2, I'm going to put them together, and the 3's together. 3 times 3 times x times x times x. Alright, now on the bottom, we're going to put the second part, which I'm going to put 7 first, just because that one doesn't have any partners. Times 2 and times 3 times x and times x. Now what we're going to do is pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and cancel anything that we have on the top and on the bottom. So in this case, I know I have a 2 here, 2 here. I have also 3 here and a 3 here. I have an x here, x here, x here, and x here. So all of that is going to cancel out. That's why I dashed it out. Now anything that's left over is going to be part of my answer. So now on the top I have 2 times 3, which is just 6x, because we also have the x right here. And on the bottom we just have the 7. So this is my answer, 6x over 7. And that is it for the first one. Now that took me a little too long, so let's go ahead and see if we can do the other ones a little faster. I'm going to leave it there for a second, stop the video, copy the notes. Let's go ahead and do the second one. Now same thing, we're going to find the factors of both numbers. So it's going to be factors of 16, which is 4 and 4. Now 4 is going to be broken down into 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. How many p's do we have? 2, and this one 2 p's. Now let's go ahead and do the bottom part, the 28. So 28 is broken down into 7 and 4. Now 4 is broken down into 2 and 2. And how many p's do we have on this one? Only 1. So let's go ahead and rewrite it. So it's going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times p times p. And on the bottom it's going to be 7 times 2 times 2 times p. Alright, cancel everything that we have on the top and on the bottom. So that 2 cancels out with that 2. That 2 cancels out with that 2. P cancels out with that p. Now what we have left over is going to be 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 p over 7. That's my answer for that one. See how much time we have left. I have 1 more minute. Not too sure, so I'm not going to be able to go ahead and do the last one. But yes, that's how we're going to go ahead and simplify this. So I'm going to stop it right there. I had 1 more. Now you can go ahead and try it and put on the notes. But that's basically all I'm going to go ahead and explain. Because I said I want to make sure these videos are no more than 5 minutes. So that's basically how you work this problem out. Just do the factoring tree, rewrite your fractions, cancel anything that you have on the top, and cancel anything you may have on the bottom as well. And that is it. That's the whole video.